Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2014 Yamaha YZF600 R6. This is Yamaha's mid-size super sport motorcycle. It has the 600cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike has a clean California title with low miles on it. This bike has 5,091 miles on the odometer. The bike is in very clean condition. Great handling, very nice power, has aftermarket slip-on exhaust. Other than that, the bike is all stock. This 2014 Yamaha YZF600 R6 is offered at only $89.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730